Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator for fashion design. First, open Illustrator and create a new document. Consider starting with a standard of 4 or letter size artboard or customize dimensions for your specific project. Next, get comfortable with the pen tool for drawing precise lines and the selection tools for moving and resizing elements. Organize your workspace by arranging panels like layers and swatches to streamline your design process. This foundational setup is crucial for efficient and accurate fashion illustration. Now, let's dive into creating fashion flats. The pen tool is your best friend here. Use it to meticulously draw the outlines of your garments, aiming for crisp, symmetrical lines. Pay close attention to details like seams and stitching, adjusting line weights in the stroke panel to differentiate them. For complex shapes, leverage Pathfinder operations such as unite or minus front to combine or cut out sections, saving you valuable time and ensuring precision in your technical drawings. Moving on to bringing your designs to life with color and texture. The swatches panel is where you'll manage your color palettes. Create custom swatches to maintain consistency across your collection. To add realistic fabric textures, you can import raster images and use clipping masks or even design your own vector patterns. Don't forget to explore Illustrator's extensive brush library. Art brushes can add decorative flair, while calligraphic brushes can simulate different fabric weaves, adding depth and realism to your illustrations. Finally, let's talk about presenting your stunning fashion designs. Arrange your completed flats and design elements thoughtfully on an artboard, aiming for a clean and professional layout. When it's time to share, export your work in suitable formats. PDF is excellent for printing, while JPEG or PNG are perfect for digital portfolios and online sharing. Remember to compile your best pieces into a cohesive digital portfolio, ensuring all images are high resolution and clearly annotated, showcasing your creative vision effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.